history, and the first car alarm ever made. Car alarms screaming in parking lots? They exist because stealing cars used to be way too easy. In the early 1900s, cars had zero security. If you could start it, you could steal it. The very first car alarm appeared in 1913, invented by a man named Augustus H. Russell. It wasn't electronic, it was mechanical. When someone tried to move the car, a loud bell would ring, drawing attention immediately. No sirens, no remotes, just noise and public shame. As car theft increased in the 1960s and 70s, electronic alarms arrived. By the 1980s, car alarms became standard with sensors, sirens, and immobilizers. Today's alarms can track your car, alert your phone, and even shut down the engine remotely. But it all started with a simple bell. So next time you hear a car alarm, remember it began as a loud warning, not smart tech. Follow for more hidden car tech history.